GBI University offers online practical preparation. In today's world, online education is not only needed, but it has become an essential part of what's considered our new normal. We supply practical preparation courses for barbering, cosmetology, aesthetics, and nails, so there's something for everyone. And the ability to work at your own pace, there's no reason for you to wait any second longer for your practical. GBI University, your inside to preparing for your practicals.
Stay tuned as we prepare for bag number 1. Welcome to bag number 1. As per the screen, you can see that bag number 1 should be labeled pre-exam setup and disinfection, as well as pre-sanitize and disinfected. For this particular section, you have a total of 10 minutes to complete the setup for the entire practical examination. Let's jump into bag number 1. In bag number 1, it is very detailed as far as what items are needed for bag number 1. It is stating that you need a 1 to 2.5 3-gallon Ziploc bag. This Ziploc bag will be the bag that is labeled pre-exam setup and disinfection and pre-sanitize and disinfected. In this bag, you would include one white or clear 13-gallon trash bag in which you will label multi-use in black. You would also include another white or clear 13-gallon trash bag in which you would label single-use in black. These bags will serve as trash bags that will go inside our self-made trash can. That is a colored large gift bag that stands on the floor on its own. Those gift bags can be blue, gold, red, or green, silver. It doesn't matter the color. We just simply ask you to make sure that you use the same color just for consistency's sake. Each gift bag should be labeled multi-use, and the second gift bag should be labeled single-use. So you have one labeled multi-use and the other labeled single-use. If you guessed this, you are absolutely correct. Inside of the multi-use gift bag, the multi-use trash bag should be placed inside of there. Inside of the single-use gift bag, the single-use trash bag should be placed inside of there. The other item that should be on your station is your hand sanitizer with its original label, pump bottle, your Clorox wipe with the original label, flip top, 99.9% EPA registered. It doesn't matter if it's lemon scent or original scent. You also need a clear spray bottle labeled alcohol, so that way you can clean any mirrors or any glasses there if that is called for you to do. Inside of that would just simply be alcohol. You also need another clear spray bottle labeled water, just in case you need water throughout the service. Inside of our 1 to 2.5 3-gallon Ziploc bag, we're going to have a 1-gallon Ziploc bag, and that's simply going to be labeled first aid kit. We're going to make sure that's labeled in red, and inside of that 1-gallon Ziploc bag, we're going to label it first aid kit. And we're going to make sure we have a small first aid kit within that bag. Inside that one Ziploc bag with the actual first aid kit, we're going to have 2 sandwich bags. Both are going to be labeled biohazardous in red. We're going to have single paper towels, 4 to 6 single paper towels that you would tear off a paper towel roll within that bag. And then we're going to have 2 pairs of gloves within that 1-gallon Ziploc bag as well. So we have completed the first bag, which is bag number 1. That is our pre-sanitized and disinfected pre-exam setup and disinfection bag. I would suggest you pause here to take notes, and that way you can make sure you have everything in place that you possibly need for this bag. We'll meet you over at bag number 2. Welcome to bag number 2. This bag is labeled the hair cutting service pre-sanitized and disinfected.